Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Draw So Cute girl to celebrate Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing a bottom of a U for her face. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to go ahead on one side, draw a curve, go to the other side, say about right here, and do the same thing, and we're just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom of the curve. So let's come towards the center, about right here, and go right back up. There, so make it a little bit pointier at the bottom. Then from there, let's go back to where we started on the edge, and I'm going to draw a circle. And same thing on the other side, about right here, towards the edge. And draw another circle. Then from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that I have that in, let's come to the sides right here. We're going to spruce them up with some lashes. So just draw two curves, and same thing here. And let's come up above each eye, and we're going to draw a brow. So about right here, just draw a soft curve. And thicken it up, and same thing here. And then let's give her a sweet smile, of course. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now let's draw her hair. So I'm imagining an oval as I draw this. So say about right here towards the side. I'm just going to give myself a point. From there, I'm going to draw her hair. I'm going to come down with a curve and curve out. And same thing on this side towards her brow area and out. Nice simple hairstyle. And then we're going to go up. So this is where her hair parts. But before I finish that, if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish it. But I'm going to stop right here, give myself 2 points on both sides, and I'm going to draw her hairband. So I just want to make sure it's wider than her face, and I'm going to draw a curve that goes all the way across. There. And then, actually I should have come right here on this hairband, and I'm going to draw a circle for some holly berries to make it extra festive. And let's thicken this hairband up all the way across. There. Okay, so now we have her hairband and we can continue this. Just imagine it going up. So say about right there, I'm going to part her hair, both sides, and then I'm going to bring this down. And about right here, we're going to come in a little bit and out. Just give it some curves. So same thing, go up a little bit higher. Then towards right here, we're going to go in and then out. Okay, and then we come in here, some details. You can add some curves. However you want to decorate it. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So let's come to the center, and I'm going to give this little V right here. So about right here. Give a little V right there. I'm going to come to the sides right here to give her this cozy collar and connect. At the bottom, I'll give it a little trim right here. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'm going to draw her shoulders coming out about right here and down and down. And let's find her armpit area. So say about right here and here, because she's wearing a jacket, so it's a little bit lower. And I'm just going to give a little angle line out. From there, let's work on some details in here. So I'm going to come right here and put in a little bow. Some tassels coming down. And then let's split the jacket right here. This little top that she's wearing right here. And let's bring this down a little bit more. Both sides, and say about right there, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. And then let's add some trim right here because it's Christmas. So I'm going to add some white fur trim right here. And here. And then let's bring this up to finish it off. And then for her dress, so I'm just going to pop in this very simplified dress. So maybe a little curve there, maybe her waist is about right here. And so we're going to pop out this curve right here for her dress. Let's see, let's bring it down a little bit more. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve all the way across. And once again, let's add some trim. And wobble a little bit as we go across. And then her feet. So nice and centered. We're just going to put her feet together. And I'm just going to go down with a straight line. Right there, come out on this side, angle in, and here. So let's see, let's bring this down a little bit more. So about right there, we're going to flare it out for her shoes. Bring this down a little bit more, and then just go ahead and connect. Curve out, and connect. So then for some details, the bottom of her shoes, and the top right here. And let's give her some boots, maybe. The hardest part of drawing these Jurassic Cute girls is always trying to figure out what to have them wear. So I have to be a fashion designer too as well, right? But that is also part of the fun. So then right here, let's give her some socks. Make it extra cozy. Come here lightly, draw some lines so we know there's some socks there. And of course you can pop it out a little bit. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her arms. So let's just have them to their side. So let's come right here. That'd be cute to give her some poofy sleeves. So about right here. I'll go ahead and connect. Add a little cuff. Right here. And connect. And we can add some of these lines as well, just like the socks, and then her hands. So just clear it out. Thumb and fingers right there for her hands, and the same thing on this side. So end about right here. Flare it out for a little poof. And connect, and then the cuff for her hands, and her fingers, thumb, and a little hand in the back. And That's it. Now we can go ahead and finish her hair. So it's just wobble, nice and simple. There, and we can come in here with some more details if you like, or you can do this when you're coloring. And of course I'm going to add a heart right here on her top to make her my so cute girl that loves Christmas and is all dressed up and ready to celebrate. I really hope you love this drawing and that inspires you to draw it and that I made it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new so cute videos. See you later.